Here's Owen's new trick. Yep, we're watching. Yes, this is his favorite new thing to do. Whoop! What are you doing, O? Peekaboo! Hi! Are we going to come back down? Come back down? We're still working on coming back down. Seems to be a little easier to go up. He's got a little safety net, as you can see. Called Grammy. Alright, well you guys, you get the picture. Owen's crawling upstairs as of today. Say bye. Can you wave bye, Owen? Can you say bye? Say bye to everyone. Well, it's pretty close.